2013 Polaris RZR 570. We have a check engine light on. Code. So you can push this little button for check engine. You're going to press and hold. You're going to get code 0520194-3. That 3 is a very important number. Go with the rest of these, because it goes to that sensor. As you see, I've already disconnected. And we're going to check for corrosion on that sensor. So you're going to check down in here. You can see there's no corrosion. And there's no corrosion up on the other harness piece. And also the other thing you're going to check is the throttle cable going to it. Make sure it's not hung up. Which goes from the pedal and runs to there. And that switch is a safety switch, a throttle safety switch. It's also called vane, throttle vane safety switch. And then if all those are good, you have no corrosion, and the throttle cable's good, it's just a faulty code read, and you could disconnect the negative side of the battery to clear the check engine. And that should clear the code out of the computer and should take it out of limp mode. Let's find out. And the tools you'll need are a 10 millimeter wrench, a 3/8 drive, and a H4 socket with the Allen. Just change out that sensor down there. Now we're going to check for, we're going to try to pull the negative lead and see if we cleared the code that way. You do have to pull it for about 10 minutes. Alright, let's go ahead and pull this negative lead off, which is a 10 millimeter. We do have the key off. Now we'll leave this off for about 10 minutes and give it time to clear the code. And that piece, that vane safety switch on top of the throttle, is adjustable. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes, so let's hook this back up and let's see what we get. Like I said, this here, because this does take 2 hands to do. Alright, here we go. Alright, once you get the battery hooked back up, turn the key back on. And our check engine light's still on.